Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet with Binance. First, ensure both applications are installed and updated on your mobile device. Open Trust Wallet and make sure your wallet is set up and secured. Then, open your Binance app and log in. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection between your secure wallet and the exchange, preparing you for seamless asset management. To transfer funds from Binance to Trust Wallet, begin by opening your Binance app and navigating to the Withdraw section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Carefully copy the receiving address from your Trust Wallet for that exact coin. Always double-check that you have selected the correct network and entered the precise amount before confirming the withdrawal. When sending funds from Trust Wallet to Binance, open your Trust Wallet and tap the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. Next, copy the deposit address from your Binance account for that particular coin. It is crucial to verify that the network matches on both platforms and that all transaction details are accurate before finalizing the transfer. For secure and successful transactions, always double-check every wallet address before sending any funds. Ensure you select the correct blockchain network for each transfer to avoid losing assets. Your recovery phrase is vital. Keep it absolutely secure and never share it. For larger amounts, it is wise to perform a small test transaction first, perhaps with $10, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.